Hello friend, welcomes you on my YouTube channel Goal by Focus. The motto of this video to provide a comparison of various point of rectifier. Friends, you can also save your time and easily remember all point in short time after watching this video. Now come to the point, friends. You can see there are 5 columns. In first column serial number, second column particulars, third column half wave rectifier, and fourth and fifth column full wave rectifier, but in fourth column center tape rectifier and fifth column bridge type rectifier. First point is number of diode required. Friends, in case of half wave rectifier, 1 diode required, center tape rectifier 2 diode required, bridge type rectifier 4 diode required. If we talk about transformer necessity, so there are no necessity in case of half wave rectifier and bridge type rectifier, but there are a necessary for center tape rectifier. Next point is PIV, that is also known as peak inverse voltage. Friends, PIV of half wave rectifier and bridge type rectifier is Vm, that is known as maximum voltage, but in case of center tape rectifier PIV is 2 Vm. Next point is maximum efficiency. In case of half wave rectifier, maximum efficiency is 40.6%. In case of center tape rectifier and bridge type rectifier, efficiency is 81.2%. Next point is output frequency. In case of half wave rectifier, output frequency is Fin. In case of center tape rectifier, output frequency is 2 Fin. In case of bridge type rectifier, output frequency is 2 Fin, where Fin is the input frequency of the rectifier. Next point is the DC current. In case of half wave rectifier, DC current is the Im by pi, where Im is the maximum current. In case of center tape rectifier, DC current is the 2 Im by pi, and bridge type rectifier also DC current is the 2 Im by pi. Next point is the transformer utilization factor. In case of half wave rectifier, TUF is equal to 0.287. In case of center tape rectifier, TUF equal to 0.693. In case of bridge type rectifier, TUF equal to 0.812. Next point is the form factor. In case of half wave rectifier, 1.57. In case of center tape, 1.11, and in case of bridge type rectifier, 1.11. Next point is the peak factor. In case of half wave rectifier, peak factor is 2. In case of center tape rectifier, peak factor is √2, and in case of bridge type rectifier, peak factor is √2. Next and last point, maximum value of current. In case of half wave rectifier, Vm by Rf plus RL, where Vm is the maximum voltage and Rf is the forward diode resistance and RL is the load resistance. In case of center tape rectifier, Vm by Rf plus RL, and in case of bridge type rectifier, maximum value of current equal to Vm by 2 Rf plus RL. In case of bridge type rectifier, there are 2 Rf because of there are 2 diode conduct in case of forward bias. Friend, I hope this video will be very helpful for your all upcoming examination. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel and forward to your friend. Thank you.